In this video, we are going to study relationship between Laplace and Fourier transform. We know that Laplace transform is given as x of s equal to integration minus infinity to plus infinity x of t into e raised to minus st dt, where s is equal to sigma plus j omega, real plus imaginary terms. Now, let us substitute this value in the equation of Fourier transform. So we get x of sigma plus j omega equal to integration minus infinity to plus infinity x of t as it is e raised to minus sigma plus j omega into t dt. So let us separate out these terms. So we get x of t into, now here we have the exponential as sigma plus j omega, so let us separate these terms, e raised to minus sigma t into e raised to minus j omega t dt. So if we look at this equation has the basis function of the Fourier transform. So here, if we take Fourier transform of x of t multiplied by exponential term with the power minus sigma t, that evaluation turns to be a Fourier transform. In other terms, this equation signifies that if we have a signal x of t which is not absolutely integrable and we are supposed to find out its Fourier transform, so let us multiply this x of t signal with the term e raised to minus sigma t. If we multiply x of t with e raised to minus sigma t, this product becomes absolutely integrable for certain range of sigma. So x of t into e raised to minus sigma t becomes absolutely integrable for certain range of sigma. So sigma will have some value from point A to point B or from point A to infinity in that way. Now this x of sigma plus j omega equation we need to convert this equation into a Fourier equation. So here mathematically we can prove it as, if we substitute sigma equal to 0, so this equation is, the above equation is going to become, here sigma is 0, so the remaining term is simply x of j omega equal to integration from minus infinity to plus infinity x of t e raised to 0 is 1 into e raised to minus j omega t dt. So this equation resembles to Fourier transform. So we can say that Laplace transform is equal to Fourier transform if sigma is equal to 0. So this is the relationship between Fourier transform and Laplace transform. So Laplace transform is Fourier transform if we put the value of sigma equal to 0.